In this video, we'll look at how to create a content package for SAP Build. SAP Business Application Studio is used for this purpose. First, a dev space must be created here. It is important here that the development tools for SAP Build Workzone are included. This can be specified when creating the dev space by selecting the checkmark next to Development Tools for SAP Build Workzone, as shown. After entering a name for the dev space and selecting the required tools, the dev space can be created using the Create Dev Space button. Once this has been done, the dev space can be started and then opened. After opening the dev space, SAP Business Application Studio opens. You can then continue with the creation of a content package. In SAP Business Application Studio, select File, New Project from Template in the context menu. In the wizard that opens, the template must first be selected. Here, select Content Package. Click Start to jump to the next step. Here, general information about the project must be entered. For this, assign these values. After these values have been entered, the creation can be completed by clicking Finish. Now a content package is created. Because you specified true for include content samples during the creation, content samples are also created in the content package. The structure of this project is kept quite simple, as shown in this figure. The two main files are manifest.json and content.json. There are now basically three actions that can be carried out for the content package that has been created. This deletes the project. By right-clicking the content.json file and selecting Content Package, Content Edit, the content of the content package can be adjusted. Among other things, existing artifacts can be edited, and new artifacts can be added. Alternatively, this can also be entered manually directly in the JSON file. The content package can be deployed either directly via SAP Business Application Studio or manually via import and export. To keep up on all things SAP, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss out on a new video.